Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a vlog for this week. I'm just going to be taking you guys on my week. It's exam time, exam period. I have an exam on Wednesday that I'll be doing, so that's the exam that I'll be preparing for. If you guys want to continue to see more videos and more vlogs, just let me know and I'll produce them. You know, we got a new camera for the birthday, so we can do that thing now. But yeah, let the video begin.
Let's get it. Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man can curse. Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man can curse. Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man can curse. Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man can curse.
Just listening to my body. Sometimes you really need to listen to your body when it comes to things like uni, studying, and stuff like that.
Essentially, you have cut out the gene. You've used the restriction enzymes to cut out your gene.
Hey, what you got, what you packing? Come at me. Covered by blood, you can cripple me.
Nearly 11 o'clock. I've just finished sort of doing my preparations for tomorrow.
Tell these boys I'm the nine, ain't no touching me. Down here with no brakes, ain't no stopping me. You would think these people get paid well, with the way they rejoice whenever I fail. Every day they be sending me hate mail, I give it. Blue ticks ain't no replies. I gotta find me that never dies. So get saved from Lucifer's lies. I could care less about your likes and shits, as long as this truth is your eyes. Yeah, it was trying to force itself on me like a rapist. Shot her advances like a married man. Stay under crust the sun like I need a tan. Oh boy, I'm a spot. Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man.
Just woken up from my nap. It's now nearly 8 o'clock. So I've been sleeping for a good 4 hours, which was needed. I didn't really sleep well last night. Obviously because of nerves and stuff, I barely slept. And I was just exhausted from all the nights of not really sleeping properly. So I needed a nap after my dumplings. I needed a nap.
Issa Youth Night. That's Issa Youth Night. Every Saturday. What was that, man?
Girls love using that saying. Issa, wow. so Issa Youth Night.
Let me talk to you guys really quickly about my exam. My exam went well. I was really happy with it. Really happy with it. There are some lecturers out there that genuinely want you to succeed, and they will do everything in the... I look like an egghead. They will do everything in their power to make sure that you succeed, and they will give you, you know, they'll tell you, answer these questions, do these multiple choice, and surely the multiple choice that they told you to do, half of them will be in the exam, and the questions they told you to answer will be the questions that they have in the exam, but they've just worded them differently. So it really pays to go to your revision lectures. Go to your lectures, period, first of all. Go to your revision lectures. Go to your revision tutorial. If you don't want to go to anything else, go to your revision lectures, revision tutorials, and read whatever your lecturers are saying about the exam. Pay attention, you know, because they will help you. They want you to pass.
Good job, bless. Good job, bless. No man can curse.
Wow, guys, look at my parking. Absolutely atrocious. This is what happens when you're in a rush. Oh Lord. I was vegetarian, I wasn't vegan.
Same thing, and there was just differences.
Oh wow.
Good job, bless.
Hi guys, I'm back home. It's like 8:30 now. I've just gone back into the bed, to my electric blanket on, and I'm going to start editing this exact vlog. That's just how efficient I am for you guys, so please appreciate that. I just want to address one thing really quickly. We are nearly at 10,000 subscribers. Wow, amazing. thank you guys. So I just wanted to do something for you guys to just say thank you and to just show my appreciation for you guys. I'm wanting to do a giveaway, something that is international so that everybody has an opportunity to be in the running to win. So I wanted to do a voucher, online voucher, so for maybe either Amazon, eBay, something along those lines. So I want you guys to let me know what you would like to win. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well, because those in the running will be people who are subscribed to my channel and both follow me on Instagram. More details will come out about the giveaway once we reach 10,000, but I just thought I'd let you guys know now so that if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know. Obviously they'll get a little bit more interesting and a little bit more fun once I get on holidays and once I finish all of my exams. But I thought I'd just show you guys what it's like to be a student in Australia and just my little snippet of my life during exam period. So make sure you like and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking all the way to the end. Love you guys so much. Mwah.